The Equilibrium bun is one of the strongest hairstyles that you will ever try. You basically make this loop and then you keep twisting so that you're pulling the tail in to the rest of the hair as you go. And you have to do this a little bit loosely or else you won't be able to get all that hair in there. And that's what happened this first time I did it. So basically that loop, you continue it around. I'm trying to get more of the hair in here. Wrap it, and then you have this perfect little spot to stick in a hair stick or a swerve or a hair fork. So I'm going to use a stick on this particular one and then wrap around that tail, but there's nowhere to really tuck the tail, so I'm going to have to use a spin pin for that. But if you can get the tail all the way into it, then you don't need a pin, and it's extraordinarily secure. This one will give you a headache if you don't do it loosely enough. So it may take a little practice, but it's very simple, it's very straightforward, and I am going to show you as I try a few more times to get it just right. But basically like that loop will end up in different places depending on a lot of factors in how you're winding. I also decided to put on a fabulous hat today that I got from my mother-in-law. It is raining a little bit, and so this was making me feel very fabulous. Okay, now I'm going to try it again and try to get a little bit more of that tail hair wrapped up into the bun. And I forgot that I need to take the spin pin out, even though I just put it in. Alright, so let's try this again. I'm going to start it off a little bit looser, a little bit further away to try to be able to wrap that hair up into it. Ugh. Goodness. Okay, and then wrap it further around. I still didn't get the whole tail in, but better. Okay, there's that loop. So this time I'm gonna put in a swerve. It's got some nice jewels on the end, so it looks pretty sticking out. And let's do just that. Try to get some of those flyaways in there. Not flyaways, but, you know, end bits. I think the first one was actually better. But still holds. Okay, I can't resist trying one more time with the hair stick to, try to get all of that in. It's so not gonna work. Oy. Okay. Twist, twist, twist. Yeah, did not get all of it in, but that's okay. I am now going to demonstrate how very, very secure and tight this bun is. So, see, this time as I wrap it around, the loop ends up somewhere completely different. So, it's a little bit unpredictable in that way. And now I'm going to jump around and show that it is not going to fall out whatsoever.